Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this rather special T30 Transporter Highline that's been converted into a camper by Hillside. This Hillside Birchover Camper features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. This is accompanied by Volkswagen's DSG 7-speed automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the solid paint colour Ascot grey, and taking a look at some of the exterior features across the front of the vehicle, we'll find a colour coordinated front bumper complete with a set of front parking sensors. The vehicle also benefits from having a set of front fog lamps, and the lower portion of the front bumper has been enhanced with a front lower splitter. Moving down to the side, we'll find a set of 20-inch Momo alloy wheels which are polished faced and work really well with the Ascot and black themes throughout the vehicle. Towards the rear, we'll find a tailgate where there is a 2-bike cycle rack. The vehicle benefits from having a set of rear parking sensors as well as a bumper protective cover. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the vehicle, we're greeted with a fair amount of storage space with some additional storage on the right hand side of the vehicle. This camper features an outdoor shower outlet, perfect for washing muddy boots or cleaning off pets before entering the vehicle. And in the lower portion of the storage we'll find the LPG container, which is a necessity on your camping trip away. The rear seat converts into a 2-berth sleeping area with some LED illumination lamps. When travelling in your typical fashion or up and about during the day, there is a comfortable twin-seater bench. This also features some storage underneath, and taking a look throughout the rest of the cab, we'll explore some of the interior features. Over on the left hand side we'll find two 3-pin UK plug outlets as well as a 12-volt outlet. The vehicle comes with a Webasto Airtop 2000 diesel night parking heater that comes with a programmable function, and over in the centre of this lovely countertop we'll find a folding tap with a sink as well as a twin hob burner. Some storage compartments provide storage for kitchen utensils and other items. Moving further down and to the left towards the front of the vehicle, we'll find a Dometic oven/grill as well as a Dometic refrigerator with an icebox. The door of this storage compartment closes, providing a more uniformed look as well as having some storage shelves. Up in the driver's cab we'll find the comfortable and durable bricks woven fabric upholstery seats, 2 singular seats that are swivelling from factory as well as having 2 armrests each. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to access all your favourite radio stations or use the App Connect feature using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the cab we'll find the climate controls, 2 front heated seats and climatic air conditioning are included in the vehicle. In the cab we'll also find a 12-volt and 2 USB Type-C charging points, handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. And in front of the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. Unfortunately, that will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter Highline Hillside Birchover Camper. For any further inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our friendly sales team. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.